how much can go on in the mind. But I'll tell you, these things come and go like birds. So many birds fly over the roof of the house. A parrot flies, a crow flies, a sparrow flies, a pigeon flies. So many birds keep flying all over this, above the roof. But we don't take note of those birds. किसने गिना? मैं तो नहीं गिना अपने छत के ऊपर का बर्ड. आज ना 25 पैरट गया, 23 पिजन गया, 400 कौवा घुमा. बॉम्बे है ना, 400 तो कौवा ही घूमेगा 400 ऊपर. But when that bird comes and makes a nest inside the house, then you immediately take note. Ladies and gentlemen, similarly, when thoughts come in and out, they're like birds coming in and out of the mind. They'll come, they'll go. What is dangerous is when they come and make a deep-rooted impression in our heart, which is called as samskar. What we see, what we hear, what we talk, whom we sit with, whom we hang out with, makes deep impressions in our consciousness, which is called samskar. Thoughts come and go, but samskaras remain. How many of you remember when you were insulted by someone? Abhi yaad aa raha hai kisi ka aisa chehra? Hai na? How many of you remember the death of a close one in your family and you can still remember the dead body in front of your eyes now? Isn't it? How many of you remember when your heart was completely shattered by someone and you couldn't get over and you can remember it still? अरे बाबा, ये दिल से निकालना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. नहीं, क्या बनाया नहीं मशीन भगवान ने. अरे बाबा, क्या बनाया है मशीन में. बताऊं आपको, मेरे पास ना ये फोन है ना, मैं अपने फोन से आपका एक फोटो खींचूं. सबका खींचूं क्या जी? आपकी अनुमति है? Okay, we will try and get as many people as is possible. Here we go. Here we go. This guy is doing V, you know. इसमें भी V किया उसने. Thank you. Here I have, you can't see it, but I have a photo. That's not too hard to understand. I have a photo on my phone now, right? I'm sorry to say I'm going to delete it. I could upload it on my official Facebook page, but we'll do a group photo downstairs after the whole thing is over. Everyone, that'll be fun. You know? But right now I'm going to delete this photo, yeah? It's gone into the recycle bin. And I'll go to the, whatever you call photos, and I'll go to the recycle bin or whatever you call it, and I will delete it from there as well, yeah? Sorry gentlemen, I know you're all handsome and you are posing for it, but what to do? What to do? You have to do it. Here you go. Recently deleted, and here's the picture. Here's the picture, and I'm deleting it now, yeah? Okay? Here we go. No one looks as beautiful as their Facebook profile picture, and no one looks as ugly as their Aadhaar card picture. I've deleted it. So simple. Took a picture, pressed the button, finished. You take pictures and images in. Is there a button to press and delete? Why do we subject ourselves to images, impressions, words, discussions which only pollute our consciousness rather than purify and keep our consciousness clean?